Hello kids. Today learn alphabet. Color pen them. Pink color, yellow color, orange color, light pink color, silver color, sky blue color, red color, golden color, black color, light green color, and brown color. Today learn A to Z. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for doll. E for elephant. F for flower. Z for grape. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lemon. M for mango. N for net. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for uniform. V for violin. W for water. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Bye bye kids. Bye bye.